everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here because I have killed this paper collection. This is all that I have left, and if you remember, I had a lot. I had 3 of the actual paper collections, and then I had 2 of the solids plus collections. This is all that I have left. I may have thrown a little bit more away, but nothing bigger than this. So this is all that I have left. So I'm going to now show you, just review some projects. If you want to see a fast forward making these tags and cards that I made, I'll play that after this. And I made 12 tags for Christmas gifts. And out of scraps, completely out of scraps, and some of the leftover chipboard. And then I made 14 Christmas cards, and they have scraps on the inside to decorate the inside and make them look like kind of like they go together. And this is the Photoplay Here Comes Santa collection. Country Craft Creation Design Team package. So these last few scraps that I did is the 3rd project from the Here Comes Santa collection. And I have regular white envelopes to pair with these, so I may stamp a little red snowflake or Santa Claus head or something on them. And I did use some Stampin' Up! Ink and stamps, but Christmas stamps are all over the place. Okay, so those are the new projects that I did. And then just a quick review. I'll link these below. This is the one that I couldn't think of a name for here. There's also a tutorial for this for my large album, the Here Comes Santa album. So I'll link all those below. I just wanted to show you guys how versatile collections are. You have pretty much 3 or 4 unique looks based on what patterns you use and what background paper you use. And like the cards are mostly in white and these are in black, so you can see how that changes. And I just wanted to thank everybody for hanging out with me while I created these projects, and can't wait to start with my new collection. So if you enjoyed this, stay tuned for some more tutorials and other projects. Well, thank you a lot. If you want to see how to make the cards in a fast forward in a time-lapse video, just hang around and go to Country Craft Creations and grab your Here Comes Santa collection and solids and patterns before they run out. We'll see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.